it time to get up? Is the market moving yet? Oh, I'm going back to bed. You guys wake me when it starts moving, alright? Just kidding. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the KicknGravel. KicknGravel Bitcoin market update. I am Aaron. Today is Friday. Friday. November 30th, 2018. In the evening. Let's get started real quick and take a look, first of all, at this cup of coffee. That's still hot. Ooh, boy. Bitcoin, what are you doing? You're so boring. What is happening? It's stalled out. Somebody put more tokens in there. Oh, man. This is terrible. Oh, come on. Come on. Sideways action. Oh, we're going down. No, we're going up. No, we're going down. No, we're going. I don't know. It's nutty. It's nutty. Let me tell you. Well, I'll tell you what I think we're going to do. I still think this is a possibility right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, Vern? 3,000, 3K. But first, we got to test that double bottom there. Here's something interesting. I'm going to throw in a glasses half full view for you, so nobody says I didn't give it to you. Aaron, you didn't give me the glasses half full. What's going on? I'll tell you what. We got some serious, real serious overhead resistance right here. You see this right here? We got that center on-chain channel. We're below the 50-day moving average. We're below the 9-day moving average. Everything is sadness. And, yeah, I just don't see anything turning around just yet. So, as volume starts to diminish and we don't know what we're doing because nobody knows nothing, we'll start sliding down and sliding down. And that's cool if you're in cash. So, if you're in cash though, and you're sliding down, put that stop buy in over here. A lot of people are looking at this convergence of all these awesome indicators kind of merging together, and this is setting up a primer to run higher. Okay, this will blast through it and we'll all be going, oh wow, it's bullish, buy in. Or we get that sell off. All right, BTC USD Coinbase on the 4-hour chart is currently at $3,961. Litecoin is at $31.36, experiencing almost the same situation here. The only difference is we are barely above that 50-day moving average. Let's slide on down. ZRX looks just like Bitcoin Litecoin. How is this possible? Like, is this manipulated? Hello? I don't know. I'm telling you. Got my conspiracy theory mind rolling here. BAT token. Looks like it's starting to slip a little bit on this candle for the 4-hour. We had a nice little run up, but now it's kind of bearish engulfing. We're going to probably go down. Zcash, ZAC on Binance. Oh, I have it up here because we can now trade it on Coinbase. Alrighty. What do we got? Still bullish. Still looking good. This has potential to go higher. Although, if this thing closes, we got 24 minutes left on the 4-hour chart. If this thing closes below this center on chain in that 9-day period, it might be lights out. So hang on, look out, watch for this. This is getting shifty here. Okay, we expected this pullback, right? And then we were hoping to go higher. Now we got to prove it. So this is a real turning point for Zach. TRX, how you doing, Tron? Tron looking bullish. Oh yeah, looking real good. I like it. We had this top. We called that top. Pulled back. No big deal. I think we're still bullish. Things are looking good for Tron. Tron's at 358 currently. Digibite. Digibite's having some trouble here. Trouble in paradise. Digibite, what are you doing? You're below the 9, you're below the center Dawn chain, you're coming down, and you're probably going to retest this 50, is what I'm thinking. Let's move on to Theta. Theta is still bullish. It's above our 9-day moving average, although it did break down through that center Dawn chain. But hey, that kind of pullback, anything could happen. So I'm just doing a lot of my trading based on that 9-day right here, and trying to ignore the monster in the room. Proppy, P-R-O, Proppy, still bearish, not doing much. We were looking real good on Proppy, kind of ran up, and now it's kind of bearish. We're had some glimmers of hope, but you know what? We get a lot of these crazy wicks kind of coming out of here, but currently it's bearish. It could turn right around, though. It wouldn't take much. PPT. Populous. Well, what do we have here? Some indecision, apparently. More sideways action, similar to Bitcoin. Doesn't know where it's going. How about OMG? OMG is giving some glimmers of hope. Again, it's teetering right on the edge. It's a knife edge, I tell you. It could go either direction. Love for it to go bullish and have continuation of the upside. This has been a nice 16 hour trend. Yeah, almost a 16-hour trend going up. So I do like that momentum. Let's continue it. Bullish on OMG, especially in its position currently. Here's Pay. Oh boy. So excuse me. Pay, if it gets a recovery, this is a nice long candle wick. I like to see this down at the bottom, and then look at our big hammer heading up. Oh, I like it. Okay, so 10x could hopefully continue higher based on the candles, but in its position, it's not looking bullish. So having trouble here. HMQ Humanique. Here we go, bullish. I like it. Yeah. Now, I bet you a lot of indicators right here are saying that it's bearish because of this trend, the trend that's been going down. But I'm a little bullish on it right here because of this move. We got to keep our eye on this guy. That's the dark horse in the race. Or it could just be a great time to take profit as it has more continuation down and has a retest of that bottom possibly. XLM, stellar lumens. I liked it this morning, and I still like it now. Its position is strong. You see how this bottom is trending up. It's respecting that trend channel that it's working in. I'm expecting some more upside. Now this is provided the rest of the market wants to go up too. Let's see. XRP, Ripple, coming down. Still bearish, especially after this sadness. But really, we went bearish right here. So we went green, came up, went real green, came up, established a new high, and then we started breaking down. And even this could not rally to go higher above the 50-day, and it's just been sadness ever since. Been total breakdown. So sorry, Ripple fans, it's not happening just yet. ADA, how about this one? Cardano. Oh boy, a period of indecision here. What's interesting is we've been coming down, we've got this rally, but now we're in a red. See, this rally needs continuation, and it needs to be strong. The fact that as soon as it hit resistance, it's getting weak, this is probably going to continue down further, so I'm not too excited about that. XTZ Tezos. Oh boy, you know what? It's like a race to the bottom with this coin. I'm telling you, So check this out. We were running up here, went higher, right? Boom, breakdown ever since. It could not rally here. Since we went to our top, we tried to rally, couldn't do it, broke down even further, tried to rally, couldn't do it, going down even further. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another we're trying to rally here. I wouldn't be surprised if we had even more breakdown. So but because now it has a long way to go to get back up to where it was, and that is a bummer. Okay, NPX Pundy, let's talk about this. Okay, you are currently bullish. I like this. I just looked at this earlier and it was way down here, which was bearish. So I like that it's trading sideways. It found this floor and really likes that. So you know what? I'm leaning more bull than bear at this point. I really am. So Pundy, hang in there, fella. You can do it. Go bullish. Show the market what you're made of. Here's QLC. QLC chain is awesome. It's been performing really well. What it does is it sets goals and it tackles them, and I love that. Right here, it said, we're coming down. Boom, we set the goal. There's our bottom right there. We got our bottom. It was happy about that. Its next goal is let's get up over this 9-day moving average. Boom, it set the goal, it pierced it, and it came back down to retest it. Love it. Then it went over this center Dawn chain channel. No problem, we can do that. Boom, it got over it all the way up, tested the top Dawn chain. It's moving over. Hey, it made the decision. We're going bullish. Hey, let's check out that 200-day moving average. Boom, it shot right up through it, and then retested the center Dawn chain, looking good. Kind of fell through, and now went bullish, and it found its strength again. This thing is awesome. It's a play-by-play. I love that kind of stuff. QLC chain looking strong. It sets goals and wrecks them. Here's AION. Still don't know how to say this coin. AION. AION is looking bearish. Not totally, but this pullback here is concerning. We have got to hold the 50-day right here. This is like the line. This is the proverbial red line in the sand. So hopefully we get that. Let me finish up back again with Bitcoin. BTC USD on the 4-hour chart for Coinbase. This is going to make or break a lot of people right here. This indecision, boy. A lot of people, a lot of hopes and dreams, a lot of bull market news. I mean, we're going to the moon. It's going crazy. We shall see. Boy, that butter coffee is delicious. That's some decaf too, by the way. I promise I won't be up all night. Okay. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm feeling a little goofy because there's nothing going on here. And it's like, I can only play checkers so much trying to pass the time. All right. Talk to you guys soon. I'm Aaron, and I'm out of here. See you guys.